Hi there, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time, if it's not, thank you for coming back and supporting my videos. I will be doing a fast forward full face makeup look. Hopefully you like the result at the end. Once again, I want to remind you that I am not a professional makeup artist. Never went to school for it. This is something I just pick up and I was able to practice make perfect. So I am not all the way there yet, but I could say I'm a little spicy, you feel me? I love my result when I do it on my face, and people I do makeup for love it. So yes, so everything I do here on my channel is for my own personal growth. Don't take what I do to be the truth and nothing but the truth, okay? So if you take away something from what I'm doing, I will appreciate it. But yes, this is just for my own personal growth. And anybody else that wants to follow what I am doing, you are welcome. And I would love if you could hit the subscribe button and continue to come back and watch my videos as I grow here on my channel. Love you. See you at the end.
Give me what I'm looking for. give me what I want, baby? Can you give me what I need? Just give me what I want. Just give me what I want. Give me what I'm looking for.
Hey there, I am at the end and just adding some finishing touches, and voila, she is good to go. This is a simple look, nothing extra. So yes, and she was happy with it. Thank you all for watching.